Hello, just installing this 45-degree chrome valve stem into my Dyna Switchback rim. It has a recessed hole in it for the valve stem. It was kind of too bad because the way this is set up, the lower nut will be barely above that hole. So I'm going to try adding a washer above this washer that comes with it. If you look closely, this washer will go kind of encapsulate the rubber seal like that, and then it's supposed to be about 4 foot-pounds torque for these, so just, you know, of course snug them by hand, but it's kind of hard. If you squish this or you apply too much torque, this will squish out the rubber seal. So let's get together here and see how it looks. And I'll have to use a 12mm wrench, and look, I have a flat wrench. I think it's actually a half, this one, but we'll just go in there to help lock the nuts together. Now it's so thin that you can't get 2 normal wrenches in there to actually use the lock nut kind of design. So the stem does have a step seal on it, and it works pretty good. Just get through the hole, and it does seat pretty good into the hole. So let's get the stem at about 45. I'm not sure to put it on the brake side or the sprocket side, but I'll just try whatever side this is. Just put the seal down. Then you can see here where it's just barely above the rim. So that's why I want to use the extra washer. Hopefully make it a little bit easier. Just a dab of blue Loctite on it. That way if either the nuts does, well, the outer nut does come loose, it won't fly into your wheel and allow the valve stem to drop into the wheel. Yeah, so that added washer just made it a bit easier to get the wrench on to hold it while the other wrench locked it. So it's the 12mm, and then you can get them both on. Just give it a quick snug. So the valve stem, if you really reef on it, will still turn. So I had to adjust it a little bit just to get it pointing outside towards the axle. But that should be a lot better than trying to get an air hose straight onto it. So at least now you can come from the side and check your air more frequently and top it up. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.